everyone, welcome back to BG Tech channel. Here on this channel, 3 different tutorials on how to make money, working tools for hustler boys, different updates online. If you want crypto flashing method, it is available. All you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are just joining this YouTube. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and join all our social media platforms. You understand? Especially my Telegram. If you join my Telegram, different updates is going there daily. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to use 9Proxy on your laptop. You understand? You know there are issues going on pure software proxy, so I had to do a video on another type of proxy because we have different types of proxy. It's not only pure software proxy that is available, there are others. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to use your 9Proxy on your laptop. In my next video, I'll be teaching how to use it on your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to use your Sox5, your 9Proxy Sox5, if you want to use that, go to your Google search for 9Proxy. Search for 9Proxy, you understand? Once you search 9Proxy on your laptop, you will open it, open the first link. So once you open the first link, you will download the app, you understand? You sign up, you sign up, you understand? This is my own account. You will sign up. See my account here. See, that is my account. So you sign up. Once you sign up, you will now download the application. This app is available on the laptop only. So if you want to download it, you click on this download. So once you click on download, they'll bring different options. Come see it. They'll bring options of download with your Windows, with iOS, Linux, you understand? So if your window is Windows, if your laptop is Windows, download it. If your laptop is your Mac OS, so just pick your version of your laptop. So once you are done, then you will now go back, scroll to the up. So scroll to up, understand? Click on this 9Proxy back to refresh. So once you click on it, come to this your place. After you sign it, come to this your, if you want to load your CD key, if you want to load your IPS, you come to this your email, you click it, you understand? You click on dashboard, you understand? Once you click on dashboard, then you see this interface here. Grab. So this interface now, they have 3 options. They have the residential proxy, they have the IPS. So it's this IPS you want to load, you understand? There's this GB. So this GB is also available there. It's just like your data. Like that one is like your data. As you use your data, that one they always load it too. But this IPS, that is one you want to focus on, you understand? So once you click on the IPS, you understand? Then if you want to load it, once you click it, they'll give you this time. If you want to load it, just come to this. I have 8 IPS, you understand? That is why I show like this. I have 8 IPS. So if you want to load your own, you just come to this enter code here. This enter code here. So once you put you copy and paste your CD key, then you press this redeem code, you understand? Once you press it, you then redeem the code. So that is how to load your CD key. So once you download the app, then if you want to use the app, once you download it, so I already have the app on my own laptop. See, so I'll just open it. Let me open the app. So this is the app interface. Then you sign in your login details from the website, the one you log in with, you understand? You sign in the interface. Then you see this proxy list. This is how the interface will be. First, this is how your interface will be. Then you see proxy list, today list, and favorite. But the thing, once you are on this proxy list, you configure the one you want, you understand? configure the one you want. So let's start with it. So like this now, you want to select the country. You just select the country. Let's select country. Normally select any country, so you can write US. So you can see United States here. So once you click it, then you can click on apply. So you can choose different country here. You can decide to use the state code, to select the state, the city, the zip code, the ISP, and so on. Just search that one. Is normal thing. So I'll just go with this one. Let me just go with this one here. I'll just click on, I'll right click. I'm using this is how I want to use it on my laptop. I will right click. Let me right click. So once you right click, then you click on forward port. So you can choose any forward port here. So let me use this 6004. So 6004 here. So that is the one I will choose. Once after I forward it, they will deduct one IPS. You can see my IPS now is now in 7 IP, because I have 8 IPS before. So now it's in 7 IP. So once you are on this place now, once you forward this thing, like you forward it, you choose your port, then you go to today list. You see today list here, you click on today list. You understand? Once you click on that one that you forward, you can see it here. This is it. You can see it. So this is it, 6004. So this is it. So what you do now is you forward it again. You forward the port. So you forward the port, then choose anyone here. So let's choose this 6000. Let's choose this 6002. You just forward it and click on forward port list. See it. Click on forward port list. Once you forward it, then you will now go to forward list. You see, you now go to you go here, you go to this place and you click on forward list. You see this thing here, you see it, you click on forward list. So once you click on forward list, these are the list of this thing you forward. You understand? These are this thing you forward here. So the one I forward now is 602. You can see it now, 602 here. This is it here. So it's active. So if I want to use it, I will now come here like this. I'll come here, then I'll press copy here. You understand? Press copy. I will come to this interface. I'll press copy. So then I'll go to my my switching stuff on my laptop. So let me show you how to connect to your laptop. So once you are on this interface now, you go to your another search box. You search for Chrome Web Store. Okay, Chrome Web Store. You add there is an extension called, I want to show you how to add this extension. This is the extension here. Proxy switcher. This is the extension here. I want to show you how to add it. So if you want to add it, you go to your Chrome Web Store. You understand? Let me search for Chrome Web Store. So once you see Chrome Web Store like this, so this is because I'm using Chrome. So if you're using another browser, I don't know. If you're using another browser, I can find how to find how to find the switcher, how to find switcher to use to connect your IP. So because I'm using Chrome browser, so if I want to search the extension, I'll search the extension name here. It is called switch Proxy. I already had this chart, but Proxy switcher, the name of the switch is called Proxy switcher. Let me just type it. Proxy switch. place sha. So this is it. Once you see this position, just click it. You understand? So you now see this first one here. This first one here, you just click it. You understand? No, this is not even it. This is another one. This is another one. Okay. This is the one. This is the one I'm talking. This is the one that you use. This position here. This is it. So I've not even tried this one. I'll try this one and check how it is. But this is the one you add to your extension. You just click it. You understand? Then you add it. I already added it. If I press remove now, they will remove it. But I already added it. Once you stay on this place, it will show you add. You just add it to your Chrome extension. So this is it now. So this is it. So once you are on this page now, you clear this, you clear this proxy here. So you know you already copy your this thing from your 9Proxy application. This is it. So let me copy it again. You copy this 60202 port, or just copy it, then go here. So then once you paste it here, once you paste it, you just right click, then you paste it. So once you paste it, you click on this toggle button here. That's what you click. Once you click it, you will connect. You'll be connected. You understand? You'll be connected. So that is how to use it. That is how to use it on your laptop. You understand? So I'll show you how to use it on your phone too. Okay. So you can see I've connected. Once you click the toggle button, you can see it now. You can see the connection. So once you, let me move this thing. It's because I press this get proxy now. That's why they show me this website. So you can see. Let me go to this proxy feature. I can see it now. I'm connected. You can see once I click it, it will activate. Then I'm connected to United States. So to know if you are connected, you understand? To know if you are connected, just go to your war.net. Search your war.net. Okay, war IP or war.net. This is the website. Once you search it, war.net, then you click it to see your IP. You understand? To see your IP. So once you show it like this, you will see it like this. So you can see it now. We are in United States. So we are in United States. You can see it very sharp. So that is how to use your 9Proxy and how to load it, how to use it, and how to load your CD key, how to use it on your laptop. That is how to use it.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.